Hey guys, welcome to Classy Taco. After I installed the extension and the ball on the shifter, which I'll put a link to that right here, I really started thinking about S-Mode, and I wanted to dive into S-Mode and see how I can make S-Mode a little bit more fun. So, if you're used to driving a stick or you have driven a stick, you know that awesome feeling when you kind of go into second gear and it's like that little bit of a, and I know this isn't a race car, so I'm not gonna get that feeling, but if I could just get like 10% of that, I think it would make driving the Tacoma so much more fun. So I dove into S-Mode a little bit. I started figuring out where the sensors are, how it shifts. What I want to do is be able to switch in the direction that it upshifts and downshifts. So I want to go back and upshift. When you slow down, the momentum is forward, so you'd be going down. So what I want to do is see if I can trick S-Mode into thinking that when I'm going back, it's going to upshift, and when I go forward, it's going to downshift. So we're going to give that a shot today. It's a little bit more technical than I usually do, but I've been doing some research, found some diagrams, and I had a little bit of help from people on the forums, which I will put all their names down below. We're gonna see if we can do this. We're gonna give it a shot. I will also do my best to have a nice write-up. I'm not really good at this write-up stuff, but I'm gonna do my best to have a write-up on Tacoma World, so you guys can follow along with some photos as to exactly what I did and how I did this. So first thing you want to do is we gotta locate the T23 Transmission control switch. This is the form that I'm gonna be following. These are the two wires that we're going to find, the red and the green, number 1 and number 3, and we're just going to try to flip those wires. This is from a 2016 service manual diagram, and it's in color, which helps a lot. So that's what we're following, and I have it right here next to me. The T23 transmission control switch that we're looking for is tucked right into here. So we're going to just move the center console out of the way as best as we can. Sometimes they do get in the way a little bit. Awesome. That is your T23 control switch, and we're just going to pop this bad boy out. And if you look, there's your number 1 red and your number 3 green. If you look back in here, there is a little cap right here that you're gonna kind of pry with a little bit. Pop that little cap off, see that? Don't lose that. I'm gonna find that number 3 first. Let's pop that one through. Ooh. It came out pretty nice and easy. All right, so 3 is out. We're going to find number 1. And there is, did we get him? Oh, it looks like we got him. Perfect. So that's what we're sitting at right here. The 2 wires are free. All right, so we're gonna take the red wire, pop it into the number 3 spot. And the number 3 wire, the green one, into the number 1 spot, where the red one used to be. And I just want to make sure that everything is locked in. All right, I think I heard that. Make sure that this is all the way in. Perfect. Then we're gonna take our, actually I want to move, so looking at this, it looks like I want to just move this one up a little bit more. Sorry I'm talking so close to the camera here. To grab it and try to slide it up towards the top here. Alright. see if I can get it to just kind of clip in. Everything here looks pretty even now. Now we're going to take our little locking cover and pop that back in there. So if everything goes well, it should work. So clipping this back in. We are back in. This is going to be first start after I switch the wires. I'm a little nervous, so we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna do some AC because it's blazing out. So I'm just gonna run through the gears real quick. Well, there's park. I'm hoping you can see it on the dash as well. So park, there's reverse, we got neutral and drive. I'm gonna slide into S mode. Now you see it comes into fourth like normal, but to downshift, I'm gonna go forward now. So we're down in one and then back to upshift. One more time, we're going down and then back to get to the higher gear. So perfect. Back in the drive. Everything looks like it's working well. Time for a test drive. I'm just gonna stay in the neighborhood for now till I can work through this. So we're here. So I'm gonna go into S mode, go into first gear. I'm in first. Second. Third. Fourth. If I want to go down, there's third. Second and first. Back in first gear. Second. We'll let second ride a little bit. Third. We'll let third. Fourth. Alright. So I'm gonna go back down to first now. Getting out of my neighborhood, sometimes I gotta gun it, so I'm gonna go pretty hard here. There's second. Third. Fourth. There's fifth. And sixth. So I want to slow down. We're gonna downshift now. 5, 4, there's third, and then back in the fourth. Just run through this neighborhood real quick. So I'm gonna drop it into third. So we're in third. Nice and easy. Everything feels the same. Nothing has changed. Feels like the transmission is acting exactly the same. I'm gonna drop it back into first. We're on the corner here. There's second gear. There's third gear. There's fourth. And then we're just gonna put it into drive like normal whenever you don't want to use S mode. And going right back into S mode from driving like normal, right back into fourth gear. So now forward, drop it down into third, back into fourth. Back in the drive. So I'm drive. We'll put it in the first. Go. Second. Third. Fourth. Turn into the neighborhood, just put it back in drive. Hey, what's up guys? I just got back from the test drive and did the little S-Mode hack. I love it. I think it's gonna work great for me. That being said, this is your truck. You gotta make sure you know what you're doing and how you wanna treat it. I know the type of person I am. I'm not just gonna be slamming the gas and shifting gears, which is probably not gonna be good for the transmission. So, full disclaimer, you do what you want to do on your truck. If something happens, that's on you. For me, I love it. It worked out great. It's exactly what I need. I go up, I go down, and I'm happy. I'm not always going to be in S mode. Spend most of my days in drive, but when I want to have a little bit more fun, it's there if I need it. I hope you enjoy, and like I said, just be careful with your truck, all right? Thanks for watching.